Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by verifying the folder you want to compress and picking a destination name. This prevents accidental overwrite. Once done, close any open files in that folder so the compressor can read everything cleanly. Now choose your method. Use your file manager for a graphical approach or open a terminal and call the zip utility for more control. I'll show both. Start with the one you prefer and follow along to the next step for actual commands and options. In the GUI, right-click the folder and choose Compress or Send to ZIP. That's quickest and uses defaults. If you prefer the command line, type zip-r archive. Zip/path/to/folder to include subfolders recursively. This gives predictable results and is scriptable. For stronger compression, add -9, and to protect contents, add E to prompt for a password. Make sure you run commands from the correct directory or supply. After compression, verify the archive by checking its size and opening it to inspect several files. This confirms success. If you encounter read errors, close programs locking files and rerun the compression. On restricted files, use sudo or administrator privileges carefully. If the zip is reported corrupt, run unzip tarchive. Zip to test integrity and consider repair tools or recreating the archive from a fresh copy. One key troubleshooting tip: always confirm source data integrity before.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.